Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at P29 from our flat parts. This will be for the intermediate ones. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back to the program here. Now, with P29, this is going to be another one of our intermediate shapes, like I mentioned, or parts. And as you guys can see, the list is coming along quite well. So now for this part, if we go to flat parts and go to P29, you will notice it almost looks a bit like a mini cottage, or when you just start out drawing in kindergarten. This is kind of the house you'll be building. Anything missing perhaps is a chimney or a door and a window. So yeah, this is always a very comforting shape for me. When I see it, it reminds me of like a nice stormy day with your little cottage house. But yeah, in any case, so now when it comes to the shape, we only have 3 shapes. So this is kind of like the basic intermediate, you can say, shape. So it does not have 4. And then if we just zoom in this little preview, you can see which ones we have. So obviously we've got A, which will be the width of this little shape or the house. Then we've got B, which is the height of it. And then C, which you can say is the side wall of the actual rectangle area. So I'm just going to fill in a few. So let's go A. I'm going to make this 200. Then B, 300. And then we go maybe about 150. So it is kind of, well, I want to go actually a bit less. Go about 120. Give it quite a steep roof. And then I'm gonna leave the actual, what do you call it, name to P29. Say okay, and then we can see, we've got one with quite a nice steep little roof here. There's a manual quantity 1. So add, and then add this shape to our canvas. Now this shape is pretty straightforward, nothing too special. Like some of these shapes where you have to obviously watch out if you set some values bigger than others. This one, it has the same, but it's quite simple to follow. You're not easily gonna by accidentally make it too big. Where with this one, you can imagine, as you can remember, the square over here, you can easily set too big for the edges. But yeah, that is it on P29. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.